Welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites as we
bring out the flavor with Royco.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit. Hello there and welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites. Well, here we are. It's another Wednesday evening, and of course you'll remember that this is Vegetable Month. We're going to be cooking up an array of appetizing Zimbabwe dishes using local homegrown veggies. Very healthy, of course, and also quite inexpensive to prepare. Tonight, we're going to prepare a dish called Royco Green Mealy Casserole. The main ingredients we'll be using are some nice fat mealy cobs, a couple of eggs, a little milk, and of course, our special Royco ingredient, Royco Usavi mix. You'll be able to write down a full list of the ingredients at the end of the show, so make sure you've got pen and paper ready. Right then, let's get cooking. The first thing to do is to cook your mealies in boiling salted water, leave them to cool, and then use a sharp knife to separate the maize from the cob. The next step is to beat up your eggs in a bowl, add the milk, sugar, and the salt and pepper. Mix that all together and add it to the mealies in the bowl. Now to the stove, where we heat a little oil in the pan and fry up the onions along with some wasabi mix. And the wasabi mix is absolutely great for adding a very pleasant, slightly spicy flavour to this dish. We now take some cubes of bread, and this is a great way of using up some of your old slices of bread. Add those to the pan and fry them up for a few minutes. We now scrape the onion and bread fry up into a casserole and pour the mealy and milk mixture over the top. Sprinkle some grated cheese over the top of the dish to give a lovely golden finish, and then pop that dish into an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius and leave to bake for about 15 minutes. And here we have it, Royco Green Mealy Casserole. I've served it up tonight with some sudza, some lovely fresh seasonable vegetables. I've chosen carrots and broccoli. And with autumn creeping its little way in, I decided to start tonight's meal with a lovely piping hot bowl of Royco tomato soup. Now, if you'd like your own free personal copy of tonight's recipe, please write into us at Royco Flavor Family Favorites, P.O. Box 1038, Harare. Well, that's about it from me for tonight. All that's left to say is, thank you very much for joining me, happy cooking, and bon appetit. Ooh, better than last year's lottery.
Thank you for joining us tonight on Royco Flavor Family Favorites.
Bring out the flavor with Royco.